Hello student, yesterday we have learned classification of alcohol and phenols, but yesterday classification of ether have left, so today we will study the classification of ether. Ethers classify in two classes. First is symmetrical ethers and secondary is the unsymmetrical ether. Symmetrical First is symmetrical and the second is unsymmetrical ethers. Symmetrical means unsymmetrical ethers. The symmetrical ethers means when the both part which is attached with the oxygen, it is same, that time it is known as symmetrical ether. What is this? This is dimethyl ether. Because the both part which is attached with the oxygen, it is same, that's why it is symmetrical. Next, another example of the symmetrical ether, it is diethyl ether. So diethyl ether, this is also the example of the symmetrical ether. Now asymmetrical ether, unsymmetrical ether, in this type of ethers both parts is not same. Like this is the methyl group and this is the ethyl group. So both are part is not the same, it is different. That's why it is unsymmetrical. Like it is phenyl and it is ethyl. So this is the example of unsymmetrical ethers. I am repeating again, classification of ether depend upon the both part attached with the oxygen. It is two types. First is symmetrical and the second is unsymmetrical. In the at which time both carbon attached with the oxygen is same, that time it is symmetrical. If the hydrocarbon attached with the oxygen, it is not same, so that time it is unsymmetrical ethers. So this is the classification. Next topic is nomenclature of the alcohols. So next topic is nomenclature of alcohol. Nomenclature of alcohol. You know it very well. Presence of the functional group. We will write the name as the prefix or a suffix. Alcohol, in alcohol, hydroxyl group present in a hydroxyl group is present as the functional group, and if it is present in the direct with the carbon chain, that time it is just like this. This is methanol. It's and the general name of this methyl alcohol. If the two or more hydroxyl group present in the chain, like if the hydrocarbon chain is long, this type of the example of this hydrocarbon, in this hydrocarbon 3 carbon is present here. Its name is propanol and its IUPAC name is propane 1-ol. It means is that we represent the alcohol group, we write the alcohol group it last, it means as a suffix, and write the position of alcohol. If the two alcoholic group present in a hydrocarbon chain, that time we write the position of like propane. This is also propane and 1,2-diol. Okay, if the three hydrocarbon present in the chain, that three hydroxyl group present in the chain, that time it is known as 1,3,1,2,3 triol. So the name is present, the name of the alcohol is present on the number of hydroxyl group which is attached in the hydrocarbon. So next is the nomenclature of the, if the cyclic compound is hydroxyl group present in the cyclic compound, that time the name we will add the we will write the prefix, it is cyco. This is cyclohexanol. This is cyclohexanol. So in case of the cyclic compounds, we will write the alcoholic before the alcohol we write the prefix cyco. Next is the nomenclature of phenol. Phenol nomenclature of phenol like this. This is the phenol. This is phenol. If the methyl group present in the, if a methyl group is attached in the benzene ring, that time was the name of this. This is this compound, it is phenol, but the methyl group is present. That's why its IPC name is 2. We are starting the naming numbering from the alcoholic group. So 2-methyl phenol. Okay. So this is the nomenclature of phenol. Next is the nomenclature of ethers. Nomenclature of ethers. Like example, if this type of the compound, we will take in example, that time its name is methoxymethane. Why its name is methoxymethane? Its name is methoxymethane because this part is methoxy, methyl group is attached with the oxygen, it is methoxy, and this is the methyl group, remaining methyl group, it is methane. Like if the what we will do, if the both parts is not the same, it is different, that time how we write the name of the compound? It is common name, it is anisole, and this is the methoxy because the less number of carbon attached with the oxygen. That's why it is not. We will start the name methoxy benzene. Its name is methoxy benzene. So this is the nomenclature of the alcohol of phenyl and the ether. In the next class, we will study the structure of functional group of the phenol and the alcohol. Thank you and have a nice day.